today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $20 over and over again. What's up, you guys? Francis Abogonye here today, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, especially those of you that keep complaining that you actually don't have money to start an online business, or you're willing to exchange your time for money and all those cool stuff, because so many people don't actually have anything to start and they can't just stay consistent in terms of growing an online business, just like I talked about in my series. Now, if you haven't watched my series, I'm going to link that in the description. Okay, go watch the entire series. I'm going to put down the playlist in the description, which you can actually check that out, right? And gain a lot of value from them, okay? Because I outlined a lot of stuff right there. Also, I'm going to leave a link to my affiliate marketing ebook. Okay, it's a free ebook, step-by-step ebook that can take you through how to make money using affiliate marketing. Okay, and I'm going to be giving you that for free. All you have to do is just to click the link. I'm going to take you to a page where you just have to put in your name and your email. Then I'm going to be sending you your PDF copy. So if you're brand new to the channel, I mostly make entrepreneurship videos, make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, click that notification icon, that way you get notified when I put out new videos. So with that being said, let's jump right to my computer, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $20 over and over again, and you can do this wherever you are in the world. Okay, and this is very, very simple. Let's dive right in, and I'm going to show you guys the strategy. Let's do this, guys. So guys, we're now on the back end of my computer. As most of you might know, mostly link shorteners. There are so many link shorteners out there, like Google shortener, just like this one right here. There's Bitly, like this one. There is TinyURL. There are a bunch of link shorteners coming up every single day, and right now I think advertisers are now using link shorteners, okay, to run ads and also to make money from them as well. So in today's video, the platform we're going to be looking at, or the platform we're going to be using to make $20 over and over, as well as $15, $10, $5, $3, 50 cents, is shrinkn.com. okay, now this is a platform where you can shrink your URL. If you don't know what URL is this link right here on your search on your browser. Okay, this on your browser, the top links right here is your URL. Okay, all the links on top of this section right here, it's called URL. So all you have to do is to come to this platform and shorten your URL and post it online, and when you get traffic to your links, a lot of people click your link, about 1,000 people, you get paid a particular amount of money. Okay, now let's look at the publishers fees, or how much they're going to be paying you when you send a lot of traffic to your link. Now, if you can post online, okay, and people from Switzerland or people in this demographic, Switzerland, click your link, up to 1,000 views, you're going to be making $20 per 1,000 views. It's just like the YouTube ad revenue, okay, what they charge for CPM and all that stuff. So if 1,000 people click on your link, okay, you're going to be paid $20. In the United States, okay, if you can get traffic from the United States, when enough people click your link, 1,000 people to be precise click your link and view your page, okay, you're going to be paid $15. Okay, now in the UK it's $12, and you can see the other price ranges right here. Now for other countries worldwide, especially third world countries, the price is actually $3.50 when 1,000 people click on your link. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a cool strategy that you can use to get free traffic or traffic, okay, to your link. And the platform we're going to be looking at getting traffic is YouTube. Okay, YouTube is a very, very great platform which you can use to harness traffic, right? So you can actually use YouTube to actually do this. Now let's say, for example, you want to use this video. You can see this video right here. I just saw this video, it was posted 3 days ago, and it has gotten over 1 million views. Okay, use this as a URL you want to shorten. Okay, so I open this up right here. You can actually come on top of this video right here and copy this URL. Once you copy this URL, you can head over to this platform right here and shorten the link. So I'm logged in right here, okay, and this is how the platform looks like. Okay, so you can come right to this top section right here where they say shorten URL. You make sure you create an account. Once you create an account, you can log in. You just sign up and you log in. Okay, so once you come to this section right here, you just click on it. This will pop up. Okay, you can just paste your link here, then shorten the link, shorten the URL. All right, now what you're going to be doing, this is a very cool strategy. Now what you're going to be doing is, you can see that this is a cool video, this is celebrity stuff and all that, maybe it is scandal stuff and all that, celebrity gist, you used to get tons of views. Okay, this is like 1 million views right here, and if you can get a fraction to click on your link, imagine the difference it will make for you. Okay, and most of the viewers right here are international viewers, maybe people in the US or Switzerland or UK and all that. So if you can get 1,000 or more to click on your link, you can be making much money every single day. Okay, and you can do this over and over again. So don't forget, you're going to be getting the link from URL. Okay, head over to the Shrink Earn platform to shorten your URL. Okay, once you've registered, you can actually do that. Then you can now go to another video, let's say a similar video that is relating, a similar video, okay, that you can actually drop a comment on. Let's say you can come to this one right here. This was also posted by Impressive 10 hours ago, and this is already 329,000 views. Okay, which I guess this video is going to be heading for 1 million views, right? So you can go to the comment section of any new video, let's say like this one. You can go to the comment section and drop a comment about this video. Okay, you watch this video right here, then you drop a comment, and once you're dropping a comment, make sure you drop a thoughtful comment, maybe a long text and all that. Make sure you're providing value in your message, or you are saying something that is sensible, okay, in your comment section right here. Then you can now link back, okay, to this video right here, okay, using your unique link. The link you shortened from here, you're going to be using that right here on the comment section of this video. Okay, maybe you might now say something like okay, Cardi B shades and defend Khloe Kardashian and all that, blah blah blah. Then maybe you can now add your link and now say that is how Cardi B actually said this about this guy right here. Okay, just a small letter, I can't actually pronounce it very well, for lying and all that. You can actually put that in your comment, okay, that people should click the link right here. Now this is the link they're going to be clicking. Mind you, you've copied this link. This is the link you're going to be putting at the end of your comment. Make sure you're dropping a thoughtful comment. You don't want to be spamming anybody. Now guys, this is a free account I actually made, okay, to use this as an example for you guys to check out. I actually made this account, it's actually free. So I just made this test account to show you guys the example on how to get this done. So after dropping your comment, okay, and sending the link, putting this link in your comment, which people can eventually click on if your comment is good. If you're spamming and throwing links everywhere, people will know you're spamming and they're not going to click on your link. Okay, trust me, I've been there and I know that people will not click on your link if you're spamming. You have to provide value first to them. Now let's put the link we copied right here, the link we've shortened, and see what it looks like, so we'll know where our traffic is actually going to. So Shrink Earn is going to bring them to this page. Okay, it's going to bring them to a page that has ads on it. Now it is not sending them directly to this video. Okay, it is not sending them directly to this video, but it's going to bring them to a page that has ads on it. Okay? This is how they make the money they will be sharing with you, okay, using all these ads everywhere. So they're going to be giving you a fraction of it. So it's going to bring them to a page like this. Okay, it's going to bring them to a page that looks like this. This is where the ad is, okay, and this is going to count for 10 seconds. Okay, they're going to be seeing all this ad, and this will count for like 10 seconds before their link will be ready. Okay, once their link is ready, they can now click on get link. Once they click on this get link, guess where to take them to? It's going to take them right to the video on YouTube that you linked them to, or you were telling them about. So this is how you can actually do this, guys. This is an ad playing right here. So this is how you can actually do this, guys. Okay, Billie Jean is all over this place. So this is how you can actually do this, guys. Okay, you can literally just get traffic, okay, from any YouTube video. You can just get a YouTube. So you guys, you can just get a YouTube video. So you can just get a YouTube video, okay, that you're gonna take the URL, that is, then go to another similar video that is getting new views, just like I said right here. This was actually posted recently, 10 hours ago. You can go to something that is more recent and that is similar to this previous video right here, that is similar. Get this link, go to this other video right here, watch the video very well so you can have something to tell about the video. Go to the comment section, type out a cool comment, okay, then head over to your dashboard on Shrink Earn with this link, then shorten the link right here on, then head back to this page where you're going to be dropping your comment and put a thoughtful comment. Make sure you're not spamming anybody right here. Okay, so by so doing, people are going to be clicking your links So this can actually make you passive income because your link is always going to be on this YouTube channel. Nobody's taking out your link except the owner of the channel wants to just flush out links and all that. But your link is always going to be here, and you can be getting tons and tons of clicks every single time. So you can do this multiple times every single day if you have the time, okay, to put in the work. Then maybe if you start making money from this, you can invest this into something else. This is not, I'm not saying this is going to make you rich overnight, okay? You can actually use this to get something going for yourself and make little cash here and there for yourself. So guys, that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Show me that like button, and also let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.